Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Looking to accept UPI payments on your Shopify store and unlock a seamless buying experience for your Indian customers? In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to add the UPI payment method to your shop. By the end, you'll have everything set up and ready for smooth transactions. No more missing out on customers just because you don't offer their favorite way to pay, but let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify dashboard and head to the Payments section. Think of this as where you control all ways your customers can pay, almost like setting up various checkout lanes in a supermarket. Scroll down until you see the Additional Payment Methods area. This is where you can add payment options beyond Shopify's default ones. Spotting this section might take a moment, so don't worry if you have to look around for a bit. Now, you'll see an Add Payment button. Go ahead and click that. You're about to expand your payment repertoire. In the search bar that appears, type in UPI. This helps you filter through all potential providers and zero in on those that actually support UPI, which is the Unified Payments Interface, hugely popular across India for instant transactions. When you see the list of payment providers with UPI options, take a quick look at what each offers. Some might also support wallets or additional payment types. I recommend picking one that aligns with your business needs. Maybe something with low fees or good customer support. Once you've made your choice, click on your selected payment provider and then hit the Install button. That'll kick off the process of integrating their system with Shopify. At this point, you'll probably see a new tab or window open up. This is the provider's own onboarding page. Think of it like stepping out of your shop for a moment to set up a new cash register. Here, you'll need to sign up for an account with your chosen provider, unless you already have one. It might ask for business details like your GST or PAN number, contact info, and bank account details to process payments. Take your time here and double-check everything. Accuracy is super important to avoid headaches down the road. Sometimes verifying details can take a while, so be patient if there are any review or approval steps. Once your account is set up and you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard or settings panel to manage payment methods. In this area, make sure to activate UPI and any other payment methods you want to offer, like Paytm, wallets, or cards. This is a good moment to think about what's most convenient for your customers. Adding multiple methods can really broaden your appeal. After enabling the payment options you want, make sure you save or confirm your choices. Head back to Shopify and check that the new payment provider appears in your payments list. Sometimes your provider might have extra steps, like sending you a confirmation email or asking for a test transaction, so just follow their instructions if prompted. And that's really it. Your store is now set up to accept UPI payments, giving shoppers across India a fast and trusted way to complete their purchases. If you ever want to tweak other payment settings or revisit this setup, you'll know exactly where to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video. And if you have questions about UPI integration or run into any issues, drop a comment and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials to power your e-commerce journey. Thanks for watching and happy selling.